Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 27th June 2025. Economic Outlook. India, global bright spot. World Bank says India remains resilient amid trade and policy uncertainty. Realty sales decline. Housing sales dip across 7 cities due to steep price rise and tensions. States boost welfare. Top 18 states to spend 6.4 lakh rupees crore, 2% of GSDP in FY26. Legal developments. Maratha quota challenge. SC to hear plea in July, 10% quota allowed provisionally by HC. Government spectrum dues waived. Centre rescinds fines, interest on delayed spectrum charges for departments. Banking and finance. UPI to track all. Government, apps to enable real-time oversight on every UPI transaction tap. Cyber rule overhaul. Telecom firms must verify user IDs centrally to combat fraud rise. Natural gas hits ceiling. Domestic gas prices rise to $6.75 per MMBTU due to crude hike. Rare earth strategy. India weighs import options amid global rare earth supply crunch. Private equity slows. Realty pay inflows fall sharply in H1 due to macro pressures. Corporate finance. Sambhav Steel IPO opens. 5,400 crore rupees IPO opens at 77 rupees to 82 rupees per share price band. Tata's 500 CR crash fund. Tata Sons plans 500 crore rupees trust for Air India crash victims. Eli Lilly launches Mounjaro. Tirzepatide drug launched in India with once-weekly quick-pen format. GMR buys 70% stake. GMR Hyderabad Airport acquires 70% in ESR GMR Logistics Park. Ayurveda's weak market. Despite launches, Ayurveda products hold just 1% FMCG market share. Anti-counterfeit drug barcodes. Government to mandate QR codes on vaccines, narcotics, antimicrobials. International affairs. India-China defense talks. First ministerial meet post-Ladakh pact held at SCO summit. India may revise Ganges Pact. Delhi considers review of 1996 water-sharing treaty with Bangladesh. Tax and compliances. PLI for garments soon. Government plans production-linked incentive scheme tailored for apparel sector. TOT model scrapped. Government scraps toll-op retransfer monetization model for highways projects. Investments and finance. Steel expansion risks. Sambhav faces cost risks from 2,600 crore rupees expansion across facilities. FPIs pull out 7,032 CR. Foreign investors withdraw 7,032 crore rupees from equities amid global rate worries. LIC bets on renewables. LIC increases exposure to green bonds and clean energy project investments. Startups face dry spell. Indian startups raised just $1.2 billion in Q2, lowest since 2020. Sovereign funds infra. Middle Eastern sovereign funds plan $3 billion investment in Indian infra. Financial markets. Markets rally 1,000 points. Sensex closed at 83,755.9 and Nifty at 25,549.0 on Thursday. Brent steady at $67. Crude price hovers around $67.40 per barrel amid geopolitical concerns. Gold near 97,000 rupees. Gold trades at 96,770 rupee per 10G, marginally up by 2 rupees. Rupee weakens slightly. Rupee trades near 85.7 against USD, minor depreciation from previous close. Nifty futures rise. July Nifty futures rise to 25,615 with 66-point premium.